Did you know that the last digit of your birth year could reveal a secret that might completely change your perception of life? Yes, Buddhist philosophy holds a surprising truth that few are aware of. And today you're going to discover something you never imagined about this seemingly ordinary number. It's actually hiding a mystical power. Imagine if this simple digit could influence your luck, your spiritual path, and even your personal achievements. It sounds incredible, doesn't it? Prepare to be amazed, because what we're about to reveal might be exactly what you needed to hear. This isn't just another baseless theory. We're talking about a profound truth that encompasses centuries of Buddhist wisdom. If you're someone who believes nothing happens by chance, you won't want to miss a single second of this video. The answers to many of your questions could be right here, hidden in plain sight. And the best part is, you're about to discover them. Buddhist philosophy is rich in symbolism, and numbers play a fundamental role in this ancient tradition. To Buddhists, numbers aren't just mathematical symbols. They are considered carriers of spiritual energy, each with its unique significance and influence. Since ancient times, Buddhist monks have believed that certain numbers can open portals to different aspects of existence, revealing profound truths and connecting us to spiritual dimensions that transcend the physical world. But the most interesting part is how these numbers are directly linked to us, to our daily lives, personal growth, and destiny. Have you ever wondered why you feel a special connection to certain numbers, or why some seem to appear repeatedly in your life? According to Buddhist tradition, this isn't a coincidence. Each number carries a message, a guide, that if we manage to decipher it, can open doors to prosperity, inner peace, and eternal wisdom. So, get ready to discover what the last digit of your birth year says about you. Even though it may seem like just a simple number, it could be waiting to reveal a path to a deeper understanding of life and yourself. Remember, everything in this universe is connected, and numbers are just one of the many ways the cosmos speaks to us. Are you ready to listen? Connecting the physical world with the spiritual, this perspective transforms the simple concept of numbers into something much deeper and more complex, a key to understanding the essence of life and the universe. In this vision, each number possesses a specific vibration that can influence personality, destiny, and even the challenges a person faces. The last digit of your birth year is considered an energetic mark that accompanies you throughout your life. By studying these numbers, it is possible to decipher patterns and behaviors that may have gone unnoticed, but become clear and revealing with this knowledge. This approach allows people to better understand their personal journeys and the reasons behind certain experiences. Over the centuries, Buddhism has emphasized the importance of living in harmony with the energies around us. And part of this harmony comes from understanding how numbers influence our lives. By knowing the meaning of the last digit of your birth year, you can identify the forces present in your path and how you can use them to your advantage. This doesn't mean that we are completely controlled by these numbers, but rather that by understanding them, we can make more conscious decisions that align with our inner essence. Understanding the importance of numbers in Buddhist philosophy is not just a spiritual curiosity, but a practical tool for self-knowledge. As we delve deeper into this concept, we begin to realize that numbers are intrinsically linked to our daily experiences. They offer us a unique perspective on how we relate to the world around us and help us better understand the challenges and opportunities that arise in our lives. When applied correctly, this ancient wisdom can be a powerful source of personal growth and transformation. For example, the number 0 in Buddhist philosophy represents emptiness and infinite potential. It is seen as a symbol of both beginning and end, a cycle that completes itself. People born in years ending in 0 tend to have a deep connection with the idea of renewal and transformation. They often face significant moments of transition in life, where the old must give way to the new. This connection with emptiness also indicates a unique ability to find peace and clarity amidst chaos. Those associated with the number 0 may be particularly skilled at finding creative solutions to problems, seeing opportunities where others see obstacles. This profound vision of life allows them to face challenges with an open and adaptable mindset. However, this energy of constant renewal can be both a blessing and a challenge. Sometimes these individuals may feel trapped in repetitive cycles, always starting over without ever reaching a conclusion. To live in harmony with the energy of zero, it is important to cultivate patience and trust in the process of life, knowing that every end is just a new beginning. Similarly, each number from 1 to 9 has its unique energy and symbolism in Buddhist philosophy, influencing those born in years that end with that digit. Whether it's the leadership and individuality of number 1, the duality and harmony of number 2, or the wisdom and introspection of number 7, these numbers provide a deeper understanding of our life paths and the qualities we possess. Now that you know the profound meaning of the last digit of your birth year, it's time to reflect on how this wisdom can be applied to your personal life. Every number carries a unique energy that directly influences your way of being, your choices, and the challenges you face. Think about the recurring situations in your life, the behavior patterns, the successes, and the difficulties. Understanding the meaning of your number can help you see how it shapes your trajectory and how you can use it as a powerful tool for self-knowledge and growth. This connection between the number and your life is an opportunity for deeper reflection. For example, if your number indicates a tendency towards leadership or spirituality, you might ask yourself, how am I using this characteristic in my daily life? Or, how can I better balance this energy in my life? This awareness provides clarity and direction, helping you align your actions with your true purpose. The next step is to integrate this knowledge into your routine, using it to promote positive changes. If your number suggests a need for stability, it might be time to seek more structure in your projects or relationships. If it points to creative energy, why not explore new forms of expression or innovation? The key here is to apply your understanding of numbers to harmonize different areas of your life, personal, professional, and spiritual. In doing so, you will not only live more consciously, but also enhance your ability to achieve your goals and live a fuller and more satisfying life. Now that you understand the meaning and influence of the last digit of your birth year, it's essential to learn how to harmonize this energy with spiritual practices and mantras that enhance your qualities and bring balance to your life. Buddhist philosophy offers a wide range of practices that can help you align your life with the energy of your number. Among these practices are meditation, visualizations, and the repetition of specific mantras. These practices not only reinforce the positive characteristics associated with your number, but also help smooth out any challenges or obstacles that may arise on your path to personal growth. For example, if your number is associated with stability, you could greatly benefit from meditative practices that help ground your energy and promote a sense of security and balance. These practices allow you to build a solid foundation in your life, making it easier to manage your emotions and make decisions with greater clarity. For numbers linked to creativity and expression, mantras that encourage openness and the flow of ideas can be extremely helpful. Repeating mantras that resonate with creative energy will help unlock your creative potential and find new ways to express your ideas and emotions. By integrating these practices into your daily routine, you align with the energy of your number and can live in accordance with your true self. Dedicate a few minutes each day to meditate, recite mantras, or simply reflect on how the meaning of your number influences your actions and decisions. This time of introspection will allow you to see more clearly how energies manifest in your life and how you can harness them to achieve a richer and more fulfilling existence. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue learning more about how Buddhist wisdom can influence your life, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, activating notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. This helps spread these messages and build a community that seeks self-knowledge and spiritual growth. And remember to comment below with the mantra, "I attract prosperity and wisdom." By repeating this mantra, You reinforce your intention to live in harmony with the energies around you and attract positive things into your life. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and until next time, dear friends.